In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce returns and refunds. We'll be walking through the refund process directly inside your WordPress dashboard using WooCommerce. This is a simple workflow, but it's important to be careful at each stage so you refund the correct order, the correct quantity, and the correct amount. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your store settings, products, and customer activity. Once you're there, head over to WooCommerce and then click Orders. This section shows all customer purchases, and it's where you'll manage any return or refund requests. Next, find the order you want to refund and open it. Make sure you review the order details before continuing. It's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the right customer purchase, especially if there are multiple similar orders. Taking a moment here can help prevent mistakes. Once you're inside the order, look for the item section. In that area, click the refund button. This will open the refund options for that specific order and allow you to enter exactly what needs to be returned. Now enter the quantity of items you want to refund or type in the exact refund amount. WooCommerce gives you flexibility here, which is useful if you're issuing either a full refund or a partial refund. For example, you might refund one item from a larger order, or you may need to return only part of the total charge. Be sure the numbers are correct before moving on, since this is the key part of the process. After that, choose how the refund will be processed. If you want the money to go back automatically through the original payment method, select Refund via your payment gateway. This is usually the fastest and most seamless option for the customer. If you're handling the payment outside the system, such as through bank transfer or cash, choose Manual Refund instead. The right option depends on how the original payment was handled and how you plan to return the funds. Finally, click Refund to complete the process. Once submitted, WooCommerce will finalize the refund based on the option you selected. At this point, it's a good habit to double check that the order record reflects the update correctly so your store records stay accurate. And that's how to set up WooCommerce returns and refunds. If you follow this process carefully, you'll be able to handle customer refunds clearly, efficiently, and with fewer errors.